Hello, Walden students. Do you journal or write poems or stories for fun? Are you interested in improving your writing skills through creative writing techniques? Would you like to reach a broader audience with your social change message? If you answered yes to any of these questions and you are a master's or doctoral student, consider enrolling in the Center for Academic Excellence course, Creative Writing for Social Change. Rest assured, you do not need to have any prior experience with creative writing to take the course. Come with an open mind. In Creative Writing for Social Change, you explore how creative writing has influenced social movements and write your own piece on a social issue. Topics covered in the 6-week course include principles of writing fiction, creative nonfiction, and poetry, analysis and application of literary devices, and revision of your creative work. The course includes practice in both writing and analyzing creative works. First, you research how creative writing has contributed to social change. In the following weeks, you dive into the genres of poetry, fiction, and creative nonfiction. Using the tools in this course, you write in each of these genres and ultimately choose one of your rough drafts to revise. You then leave the course with a polished piece of creative writing on a social change topic. To register for an upcoming term, contact your Student Success Advisor at studentsuccess@mail.waldenu.edu. Thank you.